Drones have been a part of my filmmaking process for over a year now. They allow me to tackle each scene with different angles, and the more perspectives I can film, the better I can capture a story. Over the last couple of years, DJI has been making some of the best drones on the market. They have now released the DJI Air 2S, and I'm excited to show you what this drone is capable of. So a couple of weeks ago, DJI reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to create a video featuring their brand new drone. So they've just released the DJI Air 2S. This is an amazing drone and I'm excited to test it out here over the next week in Mexico. So let's get flying. With the Air 2S, DJI has put one of the highest quality drones on the market so far. With the 1-inch sensor, I'm now able to shoot videos up to a resolution of 5.4K, allowing me to capture amazing visuals like never before.